Engine 48. West Lanham Hills Volunteer Fire Department fire truck. And they're the best. The best is getting stuck. Look at my man. He said, the hell with this. I'm tired. Let me sit my behind down, let them get it out. And look at these fools right here. They just standing there. Nowhere to go. Nothing to do.
This is funny. Oh,
Let's say nothing about it. They arguing, dude. They arguing. I think they about to fight.
oh my gosh, they're getting somewhere? At least they're moving.
This is funny. Boy, I get a lot of action in front of this house. I'm on the corner. I'm getting all this. This is West Lanham finest. West Lanham Hill Engine 48 Rescue Squad finest. Look at my man shoveling. They just shoveling. They is shoveling. What the hell? These fools right here, these 4 clowns outside. Yeah, blow your hands, because I know your butt is cold.
Terrible. Just terrible. What are they for? Not a fire truck all stuff. Terrible. Y'all look like some fools.
Uh-oh, they got Pocket Planet up there now. They got Parking Planet. What Parking Planet about to do?
Get stuck.
Let me find out West Lanham fire engine need help from Parking Planet to get them out.
Are they stuck too?
Yes.
They stuck first.
These the 4 fools right there, the 4 idiots. Yeah, zoom in.
I'm mad. Why not?
Oh, baby.
That's not how you zoom
Baby,
in.
what you do?
You're still videoing. That's awesome, man. That's how you zoom.
That's not how you zoom. They need help. The fire engine need help from a rescue squad. Oh, my bad. They are the rescue squad. Wow. This is funny. And it's happening all in front of my house. Wow. Wow. My man said you got it. We'll find out if you got it. And these fools, they're sitting there. Nowhere to go. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try it again. Oh, it's not working. Wow. It's hilarious, isn't it, baby?
It's very hilarious.
It's very hilarious.
Very They're retarded.
Very
Just
retarded.
Got chopper suits on and
Yeah, look at
jeans and
the chopper.
the chopper.
Let me find out he trying to pick up the rescue girl.
He is.
Let me find out he trying to pick up a
Where
date
she come
and
from?
they stuck.
He trying to
Where
get
she
the
come
bait.
from?
He trying to get the bait.
He trying to get the bait. Where she come from?
He trying to get the bait in front of the
Trying
snow.
to get the damn number.
Why is she taking off her clothes?
Oh, jeez.
Oh, he broke the chain on his wheel.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, the snow is coming down. Look at it. Look at it. Jesus Christ. They broke the chain on the wheel. That's why the fire truck stuck. They broke the chain on their wheel. Now these four fools back here driving this truck, they just idiots. They had no chains, a four-wheel drive, a rodeo. They driving a rodeo. Guess they rodeo didn't have no giddy up. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. Now this is what you should not be doing. Oh my God, they're gonna another fool driving down the street. Later. Oh my God. They throwing salt down in the snow. The salt ain't gonna work. The salt isn't working. I got you, Doc. Trust me. I got you. Now they can do me the thumbs up. I told them I got you. You all know here.
Look at her. Where the lady come from?
She on the back of the truck like she gonna hold the damn truck down with her weight.
She understand how she get out the shower. She want me to walk up to Facebook. I
What?
read her page last night.
What?
She's like, I got to see this.
You big
She said she
idiot.
for some tea.
Alright, I'm done. I'm done.